What's up, YouTube? So, back with another unboxing. So I kind of caved and bought some AirPods, the AirPods Pro with the Magsafe charging case. I actually got these from Walmart. They were on sale for like $170 something. Yeah, I paid like $188 after tax, and I picked them up today. And I bought it through Walmart.com because I had the Capital One shopping rewards, I guess, extension on my browser. So I'll probably get like $17 back as far as like rebates or something like that, or credits, something like that. But yeah, I originally had the Soundcore Liberty Pro 2 earbuds, or wireless earbuds. I use those on my Galaxy S9 Plus. I use them on my iPhone 11. But they're actually still working, but it wasn't as seamless. It wasn't very seamless. Took a little work to get them like paired up. And what else? Yeah, so I ended up buying these because these be good for the gym, and I'll be able to use them between my iPad and my iPhone a lot easier. Actually, I might be able to pair them up with the iPad if I can get it on screen. But I'll probably pair it up with the iPad. And just put my watch back on. Took it off because you get kind of uncomfortable even after a while. So we're gonna just open it up and we'll pair it with the iPad. So pull down this tab. Get rid of that. I don't plan to buy anything Magsafe related since the iPhone doesn't even use Magsafe, so doesn't really seem the point to buy Magsafe. But this was a recent version and it was on sale, so usual booklets. I'll take a look at it if I have any issues or just have to see something, but probably won't need them that much. But bring up the AirPods. So wrapped up like this. I am getting a case, so that is coming in tomorrow. A little case just to keep protect them. And I hear this is really susceptible to scratching and easy to scratch up. So definitely getting a case. And I'll just, yeah, there you go. Pull that over, and there it is. So here, designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam. Also, set that to the side there. Also, under here, there's also the ear tips. So I'll be probably using the small ones. I do have small ears, so for some reason, but I'll probably be using those, the small ones instead of the medium. But I'll try them out. I'll try them both out. And also a what was this? A USB Type-C to Lightning connector to charge it. So it's another one I can keep. So don't have to buy another separate one. I can just keep it with my what do you call it? I'll just keep that one with my power bank, so I don't have to buy another cable. But here are the AirPods. This is the case. It feels a little smaller than I thought it'd be, but we'll just open it up. There. That's, yep, right one and the left one. Like, my brother has some AirPods. He bought the AirPods Pro, and he's lost them like 3 or 4 times. Like, he's lost like one of them, and he had to get them replaced a bunch of times. So hopefully I'd never have to go through that. Lightning connector, sync button on the back here. It's kind of hard to see, but see that sync button. Nice little hinge, but I think I might have to get that little covering one day. But hopefully I don't have too many issues with that. But we're gonna just sync it up with my iPad real quick. Oops. Bring the iPad. Well, doesn't really stand up on its own like that. But bring the iPad. Hopefully you guys can see it. Just open up the iPad. I gotta turn it back to vertical. Don't need those notes. Just gonna pair up the iPad. guys can see that. There you go. So I'm just gonna pop them open. There it is. Just gonna hit connect. Media control, so it gives you the 4 sensors. So basically, you got the 4 sensors, you got the shorter stem. You know, we try to take advantage of the transparency mode and stuff like that. We'll just, I don't know. I guess we can do that later. So here we go. I think they're paired up. I'm not sure how to pair it up with the phone itself, but that's about it. And it's charging right now. Well, I don't know. Might be a full charge, but yep. There you go. Thanks, guys, and catch you on the next one. Peace.